Are you ready to turn your creativity and passion for marketing into a rewarding, high-demand career? Do you want a career with a job guarantee and a competitive salary? Then our program is the way to go. Do you want to hear you're hired because your marketing skills really stand out? Then our program will get you job ready and recruitment proof in no time. Our digital marketing job program gives you the qualification, hands-on experience, and industry-recognized skills to succeed in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. So, what does a digital marketer do? In short, they use online platforms to help businesses grow, engage with their audience, and drive sales. Digital marketers create campaigns across channels like social media, email, SEO, paid advertising, and build brand awareness and generate leads. They analyze data to measure performance and make decisions that boosts a company's success in the digital world. Digital marketers don't just promote products, they craft strategies that ensure business growth. With 96% of our graduates landing jobs within just 3 months of completing the program, skilled digital marketers are in high demand across industries such as retail, finance, IT, and healthcare. Starting salaries typically range from £28,000 to £35,000, and with experience, you can earn up to £55,000 or more in senior roles. Our graduates aren't just employed, they're thriving in roles like digital marketing specialist, SEO expert, social media manager, and marketing analyst. So now you might ask, how do we get you there? Firstly, you are going to sign up for our UK-accredited digital marketing job program and gain immediate access to 24/7 learning resources, allowing you to train at your own pace. You will receive one-on-one support from expert tutors and mentors who will guide you every step of the way. You will work on practical, hands-on projects that mirror the challenges digital marketers face daily, preparing you for the role. Upon passing your exam, access our specialist recruitment support, backed by a job guarantee. Since 2011, we've built strong relationships with industry experts and digital marketing institutes. Our team of top talented tutors, motivated mentors, and caring career specialists are dedicated to your success. Secure your spot while you can, as seats in this program are limited due to the personalized support that we provide. Our career advisors are ready to answer your questions and guide you through the enrollment process today. See you soon.